Welcome my beautiful people. Today I bring you the product the one I did to my daughter's hair. Today I'm going to show you how I did it and what I used on on that product. Yeah, don't mind about my hair. That's the product I'm doing. I'm going to put it in my hair. This is before, and I'll come and do another second video before and after. You're going to see how I'll do to my hair. Yeah, because I already applied to my daughter hair. You already see it. If you didn't see that video, please go watch it. It's there somewhere in YouTube. Yeah, go watch it. You'll see how I was applying it. This video is just to show you the products and how I blended it, and how I'll come and show you after. Yeah, so and I'll show you some ingredients what I use on that product. And this avocado, one avocado. This is 2 eggs. 2 eggs, it doesn't matter if you want brown egg, white egg, yeah, it doesn't matter. And this mayonnaise, yeah, mayonnaise, it doesn't matter any mayonnaise, as long as it's mayonnaise, it's written mayo or mayonnaise, it doesn't matter any mayonnaise, it doesn't matter any butters, but me I use this one. Yeah, and here I have my blender. Yeah, I'll go and put it over there and blend it. Yeah. Then watch how I'm doing it. I'll just cut. Let me put this one here. That's my blender. Just open it. You peel it. That's avocado. One avocado. If you have a lot of hair, yeah, you can use 2 avocado. It doesn't matter. For me, I'm using only one. Yeah, you can use coconut oil, or you can use what is olive oil. Yeah, you can use that one too. You can put on it. It doesn't matter. Yeah, don't forget to put oil on it. Yeah, so I think you heard some noise because it's hot inside the house, so we was putting the things to make it colder. Then after avocado, this is avocado in the blender. Then the next is going to be egg. Just take out the skin of the egg and put it there. And the other one, I use 2. Then I'll use mayonnaise next. I'll use 4 spoons of mayonnaise. That's 1 spoon. 2 spoons. 3 spoons. 4 spoons. You need 4 spoons. And next is blue bunnet butter. I don't have that much butter too. You need 4 spoons, but I don't have that much inside, so I'll just use what I have. I didn't go to the store to buy some more. You need 4 spoons, but this one I think is coming up on 1 spoon. Yeah, you need at least a little bit more for your products. So let's cross our finger our products come out good, because we don't have enough butter. I use the same spoon because the butter is already finished. Yeah, I don't like mixing stuff because everybody, some people they are allergic, maybe some they are allergic with butter, some allergic with, yeah, so we need to be very careful. So I don't have to use the same spoon I used on this. Yeah, no, you have to use different spoon. Yeah, I'm trying to take everything. Make sure to be 4 spoons. It's not that much. Yeah, this is trash. Okay, next is going to be coconut oil. Measure it to 1 spoon, 2 spoon, 3 spoon, 4 spoon. I'll cover it. Okay, yeah, that's the product I have here. Now I'm going to blend it. I'll take you into my kitchen so we can go and blend. That's power. Then blend too. Yeah, sorry, it's going to be noise because the blender, you know how the blender, how noisy it is. And I have a lot of dandruff. When you see some stuff falling into my hair, that's dandruff. Yeah, this is my hair. And this is the product, the one we blended, the avocado, the egg, and the mayonnaise, and the butter, and the butter container. That's what I'm going to be using. And here I have my plastic bag. Remember, when you put this one, after you finish putting it into your head, you put the plastic bag. Tie the plastic bag at least for 2 to 3 hours is good. Not 30 minutes, no. Not 30 minutes. You need at least 4 or 5 is good. Then you will see the results. The result is good. My daughter hair was before, and I'll show you after how it's going to look, how the comb is going to go. You can see how rough my hair is. Yeah. Just apply this one. The way we apply, I went and I changed the clothes. Don't mind me, I wear the dirty clothes too. This is dirty because this one is dirty too. And the product smells good too. Yeah, it smells good. The avocado things, the eggs, oh, it smells good. That's your natural product. You made it by yourself. The same way we always buy shampoo, condition. We don't know what they put in those products. But this one, you know yourself what you are putting in the product. Yeah, it's natural. Natural and good and healthy for your hair. You know how avocado, how it is? Avocado is very healthy fruit. You're just applying into your hair. Yeah, this stuff I'm going to make it all my clothes mess. Okay, and I have a video. Please go watch that video. Yeah, this one I'm not going to show you that much. Yeah, I'm showing you just that's it. I think I don't want the video to be so long. Yes, but I'll do another video, the next second video, to show you the result, how it's going to be. Yeah. After I wash it, that's it. Make sure I watch that video. Watch it very good, and watch this video too good. Please don't forget to thumbs up and watch all the way to the end so you can see the result. But if you watch halfway, you can see what's happened. Yeah, but if you pay attention and watch from the beginning and the end, you see the result and you see how the video, how it is. Yeah, don't be leaving the video halfway. Watch all the way, I beg you, please. And when you watch it, just give me a like button. It's free. Like button is free. It's not like you are paying. You are not paying. Yeah, it's free. If you like it, that means what I did good. But when you watch it, you don't like it, but you like you like it from there, but you didn't press that like button. I'll be sitting there and say, no, I won't do this stuff anymore. because people, they didn't like it. So put the like button, you're going to help me a lot. Like button and share, please share. I always say about sharing is caring. Share with somebody. You don't need it, that person need it, that one need it. You see, you think like, no, it's nothing, I don't need this, I will go and buy it from the. I didn't stop, to go buy to the grocery or to the store. Yeah, go buy it, but sometimes it's good you try some natural stuff for our hair. Yeah, so sharing is caring. Yeah, I love you. If you watch all the way here to the end and you give me that like button, thank you so much, and welcome to my new subscribers. Welcome to the family. We are happy to have you as our family. The family is growing. And to my return subscribers, thank you so much for the love and support always. Yeah, I said thank you so much. You're always there for me. God continue to bless all of you. Thank you. I will never do a video without not thanking you, because we are growing is because of you. Yeah, you are there to support me. When I upload video, you rush and watch it. That's love. That's true love. Thank you so much. God continue to bless you. Yeah, see you to the next video, the one I will do the result, the one I will show you the result. See you to that one. Bye bye. Kiss. Mwah.